So my name is Roman Sele Akedeno, and I'm the GIS coordinator at the National Environment and Planning Agency in Jamaica. And I was a beneficiary of the REMDAP training workshops held at the Bellevue Hotel, Castries, St. Lucia from 21st of August to the 22nd. This platform, which is the REMDAP platform, the goal was to enhance the ease of access to decision-making environmental data, provide useful environmental indicators, metrics, and methods to support environmental monitoring, support integration with other regional and national environmental information platforms as part of a regional environmental data ecosystem. I'll just give a brief overview of the REMDAP platform, and then I will show what we have been doing using the platform. Now, the monitoring data portal helps countries like Jamaica with their environmental data. The platform is like a central hub where all the information about the environment is kept and organized. Now, REMDAP makes it very easy for people to work with this data. It has special data collection tools like field maps, ArcGIS Collector, Quick Capture, and Survey 123, which are state-of-the-art data collection apps that can be used to collect information from the field. The platform is also equipped with ArcGIS dashboards, Experience Builder, Story Maps, amongst others, which can be used to show the data in a way that is easy to understand. These tools help people to see the information clearly and make smart decisions based on it. Just like Christopher Corbin has said, we are now able to engage citizens as part of citizen science using the platform itself. Now, basically, REMDAP is not just a regular data system, it's a superb and modern way to manage environmental information. It helps us to work together, work better, make better choices, and be more open about what we are doing. This is good for our organization and for the communities we care about. Now, after the training, with knowledge gained from the training, I'm now able to acquire national data sets and present them on the platform so that both GIS and non-GIS users can make informed decisions with the data presented. So I'm just going to show examples of some of the data that we have been able to include on the platform. The first one that you are seeing, permit me to, all right, this is part of the integrated coastal zone management in Jamaica. Right here we have these areas where we have the seagrass, we have the towns where those areas are located, major towns around the coastal areas in Jamaica. And then we have the different areas where we have seagrasses, where we have near shore, where we have the shorelines, the hinterland, and so on and so forth. This is part of our, our coastal assets, and so we are able to now show these coastal assets using the REMDAP platform. So these links can be sent to our stakeholders. It can be viewed on their mobile phones. It can be viewed on their computers and so on and so forth. So all we just do is send the link to them. Second is we are now able to integrate our data, put our data together. This was built using one of the extensions on the platform, which is the ArcGIS Hub. And what we have been able to do is to be able to put data sets together. Right here we have an external portal that we were using, which has been integrated to the platform itself. And this platform has a lot of data which can be used for application processing and so on and so forth. I have a list of data sets here. I can turn them on. I can add data from external sources. I can screen those data sets, I can conduct analysis, I can generate reports from this platform. Another app that we have on the platform is a dashboard. This dashboard is used for application processing. We are able to integrate the land use proposals, the density. We are able to integrate the application's reference number. It enables us to search for specific applications within specific areas, and so on and so forth. And another thing is that we have integrated on this platform is a survey that was done by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica and the Planning Institute of Jamaica, which is the incidence of total poverty by community. So we were able to create a dashboard where we are able to show communities with high percentage of poverty and so on and so forth. And as you know, poverty plays a significant role in environmental degradation. So we are able to integrate, and also we have another dashboard on the platform which is felt earthquakes in Jamaica from 2014 to 2022. So we are able to look at the incidence by time and earthquake zone. So if I click on one of the points, it opens a pop-up and it takes me to the particular earthquake incident. Then for the sake of time, I just want to give special thanks to WSP, IWECO, UN and Caribbean Public Health Agency and the organization of the Eastern Caribbean state for giving us this opportunity. Now, this platform actually provides an avenue to host data, interrogate the data, provide security for the data to prevent external interference, and also the data can be shared with the public and other stakeholders all in one platform. So I would say in my closing remarks that this is actually what will revolutionize the way we interrogate and the way we manage environmental data in Jamaica. The platform has been very beneficial to us as a national agency, and we are looking forward to further improvement and to work with you as we go along. Thank you very much.